Hi, my name is Miss Jessie, and I am one of the counselors here at Northern Virginia Community College. And today I'm going to give you a quick video on how to register for classes. So the first thing you want to do is go to the NOVA website. So that's nvcc.edu. You're going to want to click on My NOVA. You're going to want to click on this My NOVA login right over here. And then you are going to type in your username and password. If you've forgotten your username and password, just click on Forgot Password or Forgot Username. I'm going to sign in. Okay, so you're not going to have all these options, but you're going to have a lot of them. Canvas, a lot of classes are going to be using to submit assignments or discussion boards, things like that. Your email is here for registering for classes. We are going to click on the Student Information System. You're going to click on this upper left-hand corner. That's the Student Center. And then I'm going to go to the third link down here that says Enroll. You may or may not have this screen. If you've been here for a couple of semesters, you might have it. If it's your first semester, you probably won't have it. It'll probably take you directly to this screen. So I want to search for a class, so I'm going to select Search. So I am going to select the subject. So if I want to take a math class, I would type in MTH. I would not type in MATH, just the prefix. So if I wanted to search for Math 154, that's what I would put in. If I wanted to search for English 111, I would have to type in English 111 specifically. All right, so I'm going to search for an STV class. So I'm going to type in STV 100. And I'm going to select the Annandale campus just because that's my campus. And then I'm going to hit search. Okay, so this screen here gives you a lot of good information. This tells you that this is when the class meets. This gives you the instructor. Under room, it says TBA, so that probably means it's meeting on Zoom. You will have to read the class notes. And then this here tells you it's a Tuesday class from 9:35 to 10:25. If we scroll down to the bottom, it says TBA under day and time here and TBA under room. That doesn't mean they haven't decided. It probably means that the class is online, but you'd want to select it and read the class notes just to be sure that that's what that means. So let's say I like this class. I'm going to select it. Now I'm going to read the class notes. It says in this totally remote format, your class never meets on campus. Class time is live streamed via Zoom on the days and times listed on your class schedule. So you would want to read all of that to make sure you know all the information about the class. We're going to hit next. So this is now in my shopping cart. This is kind of like your Amazon shopping cart. The class can sell out if you just leave it in your shopping cart. So this green circle could turn to a blue square. It's probably not going to do that in the next 10 or 15 minutes. So I'm just going to proceed to step 2 of 3. And then I'm going to finish enrolling. And you will see a green check mark, and that means the class has been added to my schedule. So the next thing I'm going to want to do is either pay or add more classes. And that's how you register.